Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, based on my personal experience with the product, are available in the description below. Today, we're diving into Egnyte, a cloud storage solution designed specifically for businesses seeking secure file sharing, seamless collaboration, and centralized storage. Its biggest draw is the hybrid approach, combining the advantages of cloud storage with the option for on-premises support. This makes Egnyte an excellent choice for organizations requiring a blended solution. At the heart of Egnyte's functionality are its robust file sharing capabilities. Teams can easily collaborate on documents while maintaining data security through features like real-time co-editing and granular control over file permissions. This allows administrators to meticulously manage access to specific files and folders, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access sensitive information, regardless of whether it's a small team or a large enterprise using the platform. Egnyte's intuitive interface simplifies permission management, making it straightforward to maintain control over data access. Security is paramount in today's digital landscape, and Egnyte excels in this area. The platform provides enterprise-grade security measures, including end-to-end encryption, advanced threat detection, and two-factor authentication. For businesses dealing with sensitive data, such as law firms or healthcare providers, Egnyte security features ensure compliance with critical regulations like HIPAA, GDPR, and SOC 2, providing peace of mind regarding data privacy. Scalability is another key strength of Egnyte. Its storage solutions are designed to grow alongside your business needs. The platform's support for hybrid cloud configurations gives businesses the flexibility to store some data on premises for quicker access, while leveraging the cloud for more adaptable and scalable storage. This hybrid approach makes Egnyte a compelling option for companies managing substantial data volumes or those with specialized storage requirements. Furthermore, Egnyte integrates seamlessly with widely used business tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and Salesforce, streamlining workflows and consolidating various platforms. Its user-friendly mobile and desktop applications enable access to files from anywhere, making it a practical choice for remote teams and employees on the go. In summary, Egnyte offers a comprehensive cloud storage solution for businesses, combining security, flexibility, and scalability. Whether your needs involve storing vast quantities of data, facilitating real-time collaboration, or ensuring compliance with stringent regulations, Egnyte provides a dependable and efficient service. For a closer look, check out the product links in the description below.